on, everybody? This is your girl Lugo, and there's a big wasp that just landed. Y'all, springtime is here, and these bugs are like ready. Okay, so anyways, thank you for visiting my channel and checking this video out. I'm Lugo. I'm going to just be talking about this unit that's on my head. It's kind of like a follow-up video for an initial review that I did for the Luasy wig. And you can go through my little vids and check that one out. But I had just ordered a natural short, it's supposed to be a bob, but this ain't really a bob, y'all. Technically, it's not. But it was supposed to be a bob. And I didn't really do too much cutting to it. I was just going to kind of leave it. We'll see how I'm feeling. But yeah, so in the video, I don't show how I lighten the unit, but I do show all the products that I used as I was trying to achieve this custom color. So stay tuned. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I got more content coming soon. And what is it about short hair, y'all, to make you just be doing this? I'm like watching the video. I'm like, I'm just swinging this little cut. Okay, but it's cute. It's fun, and I'm feeling it. It's really cute for like spring and summer. So. Yeah. I'm finally getting around to what I want to do with this unit, and just my first thoughts on the lightening process. If you guys remember from that video, old girl said the hair was atrocious and it was just like so horrible and all this stuff. I didn't have that with this unit. I have lightened it and it came out really smooth and even. So I'm actually living for this wig right now. It's it started off just a natural color, so it's like a 1B, and look how light in one process I got this hair. It had like no shedding, and it is ready to be colored. And if you look over, other side. If you look over in this area, you kind of see some of the color that I'm going to do. I'm going to play with my reds and magentas and see what we come out with. Oh, my head is way too low for you guys to see. I'm going to go off audio and color the hair really quickly. Let it process. And we will see what we're working with this. So far, for the money I paid for this unit, it looks like it's about to be a keeper. So, stay tuned. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be using the Joico Color Intensity. I'm using magenta and hot pink. And so I really liked this semi-permanent color because it's ready to go. You need no developer, so you just pretty much put it into your container and put it on the hair. So I loved that. Also, this company offers mixable shades. And when you see me applying it, it's really thick. So it has some conditioning properties and it'll add shine. So I'm feeling this company's bold, vibrant colors. Probably will try some of their, like melon colors. Like I think they have something that's similar to like a watermelon. And I'm talking about like the rind of the watermelon. So going to be trying that. Anyways, with this hair, sometimes I do like the four parting sections, but because the hair is kind of short, I just went for it. However I can get a good coverage of the color on there, I did. And I'm putting the magenta closer to the roots and the hot pink closer on the end. So that worked well for me. And as you can see, like when I put it in, I'm kind of like rubbing it in so that it has a nice blend and fade into that hotter pink. And it's not like super drastic. So once I get to the top, I'm just continuing the same process. I really should have put more plastic on my head, like thinking back on it, but whatever. It'll be fine. So just working that color in the magenta into the hot pink, and I ended up running lower on the magenta because it was more magenta throughout the back than the hot pink. So I saved most of the hot pink for the top part where I really wanted that color to pop, kind of in a face frame around, the face. So that's pretty much it. It's really simple. I had done more with my lightning process where you can see like those more blonde pieces. So I wanted to make sure that I got the hot pink on those so that it would pop. Yep, just going through, taking really small sections, trying not to get too much on the lace, and adding that color on in there. And it was a really smooth process. Like I said, the color and the dye was really thick, so I liked that. And you can see it was really bright. Only thing now though, this color lasts like up to 20 shampoos. And if you're not washing your unit out a whole lot, the color tends to kind of, like if you're wearing a white shirt, you're going to have a little of the color on the collar of the shirt. Just keeping it real. So this would definitely be a dark shirt kind of thing to darker colors at the end. Or, yeah. Anyways, that's it. I think I'm only doing half on camera because the other half happened just like the first half. Nothing different. No. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe, boo. More content coming your way. Ew.